Hi do-it-yourselfers. I'm making this little video to show you how I've slowed down, or most times. I'll start over. Anyway, I'm making this video to help you when you're working with drywall or any kind of wallboard. If you're gonna tape and float it, I'm just going to show you how I do one little step that I never did before. In the last few years I've been using it. I just never thought about it. And you'll see it in the video. It's going to be in the first 1 minute of the video. I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So here it is. Okay, well, I've got some wall patch on here. And I just take this and wipe it off. You know, the bigger one, little one. Same way with this. And I'd try to get it as smooth as I could, and I'd work on it. And then I'd put tape on it, and then I'd smear it across it. Okay? That's what I would do. But I don't do that anymore. Now, when I get to this point where I've just got it laying on there, and kind of pushed in. Now, I know you're going to think I'm nuts. I'm going to go up here in the corner and start here first. Now I'm going to take my hand. Yeah, my hand. No gloves, nothing. And I'm going to work it in. Try to get it to stick. You may have to do this. You may have to do this twice, or 3 times. I'm telling you, if you don't want it to crack. Yeah, I could put tape on there now, cover it up, and it'd look okay for a while. The houses don't, nothing is static. I don't care what you call it. And I'm going to rub it in some more. I'm just going to massage it in like I'm trying to make it feel better. I know it doesn't have any feelings, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this bathroom is approximately 10 feet by 12 feet. 10 by 12. 120 square feet of ceiling. Look at that, man. Looks like it's bleeding or something. As crude as it is, it looks better than it was. Yeah. Got a lot of work in here to do yet. If I didn't have to grind it off and everything, I'd go ahead and keep going, but I don't want to mess that up. Okay. Okay, I've been working on it for 2 days, digging out these seams and leveling them. Tomorrow, these will be dry enough I can bring it up almost level. Let it dry another day, and then start cleaning up the walls, the little things. Well, there's what I ended up with. I got it all boxed in so you can't see the pipe. Those are all 1x6s. It goes down here, and easier to work around. So I'm pleased with that. So as you can see, making a little bit of headway. It'll never look right until I get it painted, but we're getting there. I painted this floor and I didn't paint it. I put another coat of drywall mud on it. Got a little bump right there. What that is? Be a nail or something. Getting there. This way I can get the mirror up pretty soon. And this is my utility room. Got this door for $10. to restore in Goshen, Indiana. The only thing that was wrong with it, the odd thing is these handles were located, the holes were bored, but they were bored exactly in the middle of the door, unlike this door, you know, like a normal door, they're kind of low. So I don't know why they were like that, but for $10 I couldn't go wrong. It's a pretty solid door. It's kind of reversible. You could put a mirror in it if you wanted. It's got this little thing. I had this lock. I've had that thing for a long time. Got it at a garage sale or something for $1. And anyway, that's where that is. I've got all my junk stored in here right now. It's nice to come in the bathroom and not have to look at that. This is the back side of it. Yeah, some of those 2x4s I found them underneath the house when I was changing the plumbing around. And they're nice straight 2x4s. I went and bought some new ones. Oh, they're $5 a piece if you want to get good ones. I don't remember when they were $1. And still got a box. I still got to drywall this up here. I'm gonna drywall those so that when we paint it, it'll all kind of blend in with the wall. Just got a base coat on here. Just fill in the big crack, and then I'll tape it, float it when I get back next week. Getting there. Put this framework on here to kind of match the old style woodwork. You can see that woodwork over there. It's just wood. That's a 1x4. This is a 1x2.5. They had some of that styrofoam. I don't know what you call it. It's plastic, wood-looking stuff that's all cracked and everything. Basically, I wanted to do that to make it kind of match the rest of the house. And this door kept coming like this. Every time I just leave it, it would come right there. It was driving me nuts. So I adjusted it around so it didn't move so much. As you can see now, it'll just stay there. And, just little things. They all take time. So I'm getting there. Hopefully in another 2 weeks, I'll have this room done. A bunch more to go. Okay then. I'll see you guys in another video. Yes, we're in a log cabin. That's a shower. And we put these curtains in. Boxed in all this. All that plumbing that you could see that was bare. Put in a double sink unit. With some storage underneath. Of course, we had to move the mirror. Put these outlets in. Ground fault outlets. Just little things. Fix the door frame. Just put in this door, put in this wall. That was a trick for me. I didn't know how to actually go about it. I had to keep it, I had to make sure that I still had enough room to get the water heater out if it ever burns out. So, there it is. The living room is 14 by 17. The walls came out as good as I expected. Maybe a little better. There's still some rough spots, but nothing to glare out at you.